Hi friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to see the recipe for herbal masala milk, which is a very effective do-it-yourself medicine for cough and cold. So let's get into the recipe. First, we are going to make the spice powder using which we will be doing the masala milk. For this, I am taking 1 cardamom, 3 cloves and half-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Here I have given the benefits of these spices and why we are using this in this recipe. The same is given in the description box, you can check it out there. Pound these spices into a coarse powder, and to this we are going to add half teaspoon peppercorns. If you don't have peppercorns, you can substitute this with pepper powder. Again, pound this to a coarse powder. Now our spice mix is ready and this can be stored in an airtight container for about 6 months. Next, take 250 ml of milk in a pan and heat it up. While the milk is getting heated up, add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and then add the spice mix into this. Give it a good mix and allow it to come to boil. Once it starts to come to boil, add 1 tablespoon palm sugar to it. Palm sugar has a lot of medicinal properties and we can always substitute our refined sugar with this. After all the sugar is dissolved, switch off the flame and mix it well. Now we are going to filter this milk and discard the sediments. This masala milk can also be given to children. It gives you relief from cough and cold and eases your throat pain. This should be taken once in the morning and once in the night as soon as you see symptoms of cold and cough. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do try it out and share your feedback. Share it with your friends and family and let me know how it helped you. See you again with another helpful recipe. Bye bye.